Welcome to .NET Technology. Today we will understand the concept of dialog box controls in Windows Form application. A dialog box is a type of Windows which is used to enable common communication or dialogue between a computer and its user. Sometimes in a GUI or graphical user interface, a Windows is used to communicate with the user or establish a dialogue between the user and the application. This additional window is called a dialog box. It may communicate information to the user, promote the user for a response, or both. The show dialog method is used to display a message box with the specified text, caption, button and icon. Dialog box is nothing but simply if we are using any of the application at that time, sometimes we found that you want to delete such kind of item, yes or no. This is one of the dialog box. Then another dialog box commonly used here in our application or in a C# concept is a font dialog box, color dialog box, open dialog box, save dialog box and folder browser dialog box. This is the advanced features of the .NET technology. It allows the user to use such kind of facility directly with the help of control. We don't have to do coding for executing such kind of facility to select the color, to select the font, to select the any folder path. At that time we can use this dialog box concept. The dialog box that are used, which are common to all Windows application, it perform common tasks like saving a file, choosing a font. This provides a standard way to the application interface. From the toolbox I have taken one of the snap which is mentioned here, or you can see that it's a inbuilt control which is provided by the .NET technology. In a Visual Studio you found such kind of dialogs controls. Just drag and drop it on your design portion and execute your functionality. Now we will see steps to use common dialog box. Initialize the required common dialog box. Just drag and drop it again, which I have told you. Set the property of common dialog box if you require, and then call its show dialog method to invoke the dialog box. Show dialog method is compulsory to use because with the help of that you can find out that dialog box is in front of you or not. Here I have taken one of the example in which you can see that here color dialog box, font dialog box, save file dialog box and open file dialog box is drag and drop here. It is available in the bottom of the design portion, not in the particular form, but you can use the button and with the help of that you can connect this dialog box as per your requirement with the help of coding. One rich text box is used over here and 4 button for the 4 controls is mentioned. First we will understand what is the use of color dialog. In C#, the color dialog is derived from common dialog, show dialog display color dialog and let you pick a color. Color property of the color dialog return the current selection of the color. You can see here the color dialog box is open at the time of color button click, and from this specified dialog box you can select any of the color and that color will be implemented on your control. What is the coding you have to write? Just on the clicking event of this button you have to mention color dialog 1, that's the name of control, dot show dialog, means dialog box is appear in front of you, and then after and the rich text box selection color is equal to color dialog 1 dot color. Whatever the color you have select from the color dialog box 1 is implemented in the rich text box. This is the procedure we can use the color dialog box. Now next one is a font dialog box. A font dialog control is used to select a font from available font installed on a system. A typically font dialog where you can see there is a list of font, style, size and other options. But you have to remember one more thing, that font dialog may have different fonts on different system depending on what font they are installed in their particular system. In the image you can see that at the time of clicking font button, this font dialog box will appear and you can select any of the font, any of the style and any of the size, and when you press OK, then that entire property will implemented in the rich server box like we implemented in color dialog box. So this is the way in which you can apply the font to your text. Now next is a save file dialog box. A save file dialog control is used to save a file using Windows save file dialog. A typically save file dialog where you can see Windows Explorer like features to navigate through folder and save a file in a folder. Whatever you have written in rich text box, then if you want to save that content in your system, at that time with the help of save dialog box it can be possible. First of all, write some of the content in the rich text box, then press save file, then it will promote this save file dialog in front of you. Just give the file name over here and select your path at which you want to save your file and just save it. It will save at that particular location and in future you can use at the time of requirement of that file. You can read the content which you written in that rich text box. Now next is a open file dialog. An open file dialog control is used to browse and select a file on a computer, and open file dialog where you can see Windows Explorer like features to navigate through folder and select a file. For example, you want to open any of the file in this, or for example if you put the image box or picture box over here and you want to open that image in your application, then with the help of open file dialog box it can be possible. In the text box or rich text box you have to select text file, or additionally with the help of coding you can select word file or whatever other file which contain the text you can open over here. But when you want to open any of the picture from your system, at that time again the similar type of control is present in your application. Like picture box, it will provide you the facility to display the picture, so you can just merge your coding with it and it will display the picture or open the picture with the help of open file dialog box. Now last one is a folder browser dialog box. Sometimes we need to promote user for a folder path. Rather than file name, for such a purpose we can use folder browser dialog box. We simply want to display the path of that particular folder. We don't want to open it, we don't want to save it, but just want to display the path of that particular folder, at which location they are located. Want to display to the user. At that time folder browser control will use. It will just promote this kind of dialog in front of you, and you can select the entire path, and if you press OK, then that entire path will be displayed in your application, and it mentions that at this particular location your folder is available. So in such a way you can implement your folder browser dialog box, open file dialog box, save file dialog box, font dialog box, color dialog box. This is the basic common dialog box provided by the .NET, and you can easily use it with the help of drag and drop this kind of control in your application. So I hope you understand this dialog box control. Thank you.